Good morning, everyone.
Today, I will show you how to make European style creamy mushroom with an Indian touch, and I'll tell you briefly what ingredients we need for that. So, this is a very quick recipe, and it takes just 5 minutes to make this recipe. And for that, we need um, sliced mushroom. So, I have sliced small or medium sized mushroom to this big, and spring onion. I have chopped spring onion and chopped coriander and chopped garlic. So I have taken 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and chopped them finely. And for masala, we need Indian garam masala and the black pepper. So I'll grind it with this pepper grinder and put on the top of the preparation. Then we need butter and cream with 36% fat. It's not exactly you need 36% fat, so you can basically use any cream. So this is a creamy mushroom recipe, so we need cream for that. So let's start making this. For that, I have taken a pan and I am using here a medium to high flame for this. And first I will add 1 teaspoon of butter. Then I will immediately add the chopped garlic to it. And we'll saute for a while. Then I will add the sliced mushroom to it. And we just mix it. Mix it for a while and add salt, taste, mix it. This recipe basically goes with breakfast, so I like to have this creamy mushroom during my breakfast, and it goes very well with bread. And you can see the color of the mushroom is changing. Now in this phase, I like to add coriander leaves, half of the portion of that leaf that I have chopped finely, and remaining I will put in the end. Now I will reduce the flame to low. Then I add black pepper using a pepper grinder for this. Then you mix it properly. Then now it's time to add the cream. So you can see the color of the mushroom, it's changed now and it is already cooked. So it's very easy to and very quick to cook mushroom, so you don't have to give much effort to cook mushroom, and it's very quick. So now I add cream to it. So around 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. So you can easily get the cream from the market near you. Then you mix it properly, and we are almost done with our creamy mushroom recipe. So the flame is still on low. So you can see the cream is mixing with the mushroom properly. In this point, I will add the chopped spring onion and the remaining coriander leaf that is finely chopped. So at the end of this recipe, I will add garam masala, and that's just a pinch of garam masala on the top. And mix it properly. So now it's giving a nice aroma of the spices, not very strong but mild aroma, and it will really like tasty, and you will enjoy while eating. So now we are done with the recipe. So after this, transfer this to a bowl, and we are done. And please serve this with bread, and enjoy the recipe, and share your views and ideas about this recipe. And if you like our channel, please subscribe this. Thank you.